So I'm here at beautiful Gardermoen Speedway at the Power Drift license day for the 2019. So we have the GT86 with us, and now I am on a little track walk. So we can take a look on the start grid here. Last time I drive here had a little issue with the axles on the GT86, so I think I was qualified great, and we did not have spare axles, so we didn't drive the finals. So that was really sad, but that's the game. And the before I was driving here was when I was borrowed Ola Jagger's Supra, and we actually won. That was really fun. I think the start is over here, full speed. I think it's gonna be a clipping point over here, and so this is gonna be other clipping point, and we're gonna have an inner clipping point here. So here you can see they have a mark on the ground, the box. So this is an inner clipping point. I think it should be an outside here. The other clipping. Wow, so many big cans here. Don't hope this is filled with water. Oh, empty. So here we need to be as close as possible. Almost hit the box. And all the way out, almost to the gravel, into outer clipping in this box. And the coolest part here on this track, it's go up close as possible and give this wall a little kiss. Hit me. So you're gonna hit this, not hard, just a small touch, and go out. It's out to this can, inner clipping, and back over the finish line around here. Cool. Can't wait to try this. I hope you guys enjoyed this little track walk. So soon we're gonna make the car ready and take the technical inspection and have some fun. So the car is through the technical inspection, and I am about to get into the car and take some test laps. I'm testing some few laps now with the car, and everything should work perfectly. The track is really wet, so it's starting to dry up, so I hope to get some tire smoke a little bit later. But now it's time to fill up with some boost race fuel. So I am here back in the workshop with the GT86, and the day went maybe not what I hope it should went. So I was driving on the track when it's starting to dry up. So it's some places on the track was wet and some was dry. So the thing, I went too close to the clipping point, and the clipping point was some tires, big tires. So I came in too close with full lock, hitting the car here at my fender, and broke the damper or the shocks. So we were able to raise the car in the front and put the damper back together, but we had to stop driving because it was totally broken. If you can see the camber on this tire, it's okay. If you can see on this side, it's way too much camber, so it's broken. I think I had one new, or not new, but one in for spare, but this is also broken, so I need to find some new. It's no problem to get. It's the BC ER series, the two-way. So I've been super happy with the kit, so I hope I can order some fast and get it back on the car. But anyway, the engine, the car, everything working so perfect. So today I did a driver mistake, so all blame on me, not the car. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I'm gonna fix the car, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.